Hi, my name is Herut. I work in Melio. It's a fintech company that helps small business to stay in business. We are doing payment solutions, and I work as part of the FP&A department. The goal of our FP&A department is to track budget and expenses, to give ROI analysis and ad hoc requests regarding different scenarios planning, doing forecasting long-term and short-term with all P&L section, revenue, volume, direct cost and operational costs, and tracking everything versus budget versus actuals and forecast versus actuals. I think that one of our main challenges is working inside Excel sheets and specifically Google Sheets that are not flexible for different dimensions and what-if analysis that we are trying to calculate. We looked for some flexibility in our modeling, and Pigment seemed us like the best solution for it. We looked for other solutions as well, but Pigment was very user-friendly, very new, fresh, something that seemed very nice for us as also a fast-growing company. So Pigment for us is amazing, first of all, due to the user experience that is very friendly, very easy to get used to. As well, the flexibility that the system gives us comparing to Excel, and for us, Melio, as a fast-growing company that everything changes so often, it's very easy to maintain and to be flexible according to the business requirements. And Pigment just gives us the option to do it and to adjust everything according to what we need in a real time, and very easy, very efficient. And I'm looking forward to work with Pigment for a long time. So in general, we like everything about Pigment. The UI is amazing and very user-friendly, and also presentative way. Second thing is the flexibility in the system, that we can see everything in a granular way. We can adjust everything according to our needs. We are a fast-growing company that really change a lot, and this is something wonderful that we can just keep tracking everything according to our needs, and Pigment is just adjusting itself according to it. So for me, Pigment is just an FP&A success driver.